Hey investors, welcome back to my channel. It's 2025 and the stock market is hitting with some incredible opportunities. Today I'm breaking down the 5 best US stock to watch this year, a stock with growth, stability and serious potential to supercharge your portfolio. Whether you are new to investing Wall Street Pro, this list is for you. Grab a coffee, stick with me and let's dive into the top picks for 2025. First off, Microsoft. So, why Microsoft? Because Microsoft is the king of tech for a reason. Their cloud platform Azure brought into a massive 24.1 billion last quarter, and their AI investment are paying off big time. From Windows to Xbox to LinkedIn, Microsoft got its hand in everything, making it one of the most diversified tech giant out there. Analysts are projecting 11% earning growth for 2026 and with a 3.2 trillion market capitalization. So this stock is a cornerstone for any portfolio. Plus, if interest rate drop in 2025, take stock like Microsoft Cloud soar even higher, definitely a stock to watch. Number two in our list, Apple. Apple is not just a company, it's a lifestyle with a jaw dropping 3.5 trillion market cap. It's the biggest player in the game. Last quarter, they posted 94.9 billion in revenue, up 6% from last year, thanks to blockbuster iPhone sales and the growing service like Apple Pay and Apple Music. Their new AI features called Apple Intelligence are set to keep customer logged into their ecosystem and with a steady zero point 0.5 dividend yield. Apple is a rare blend of growth and stability. If you are looking for a stock that is reliable as your morning coffee, Apple your pick. So coming in at number three, it's Nvidia. Nvidia is the rocket fuel behind the AI revolution. Their CPU power everything from ChatGPT to self-driving car to our favorite video game. In their latest quarter, revenue skyrocketed 69% year over year. Okay, and let's see 52% growth in 2026 with 3 trillion market cap and forward PE of 50%. It's not cheap, but there is deal. AI is only getting bigger and Nvidia is leading the charge. If you believe in the future of tech, who doesn't? Nvidia is a stock you can't yet ignore. At number four, we got JP Morgan. Okay. Initials are making comeback in 2025 and JP Morgan is one to beat this banking giant, up 11.6% year to date as of May, outperforming S&P 500 via strong management, diversified operation and juicy 2.1 dividend yield. With 600 billion in market cap and forward PE of just 12, it's a steal compared to tech stock. Plus, whisper of banking regulation could unlock even more value. If you want stock that pays you to wait while the company grows, JP Morgan's your go-to. Rounding out our list at number 5 is Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor is unsung hero of the tech world, making the chips that power Apple, Nvidia, AMD and more. Their latest quarter brought in to 20.8 billion, up 30% year over year. Okay, thanks to their cutting edge 3.MN and 2MN chip tech with a 900 billion market cap and a forward PE 25. TSM in the sweet spot of growth. AI, 5G and consumer tech keep expanding. TSM role in the global supply chain is rock solid. This stock is a hidden gem for anyone betting on the future of technology. So there you have it, five of our house top for 2025: Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, JP Morgan Chase, and Taiwan Semiconductor. But there's the deal: investing isn't one size fit all game. Market can be wild. Think tariff, interest rate, or even a surprise recession. So do your homework, check those balance sheet, and maybe mix in some volatility ETF like iShares, MSIC, USA minimum volatility fund to balance your portfolio. The key is stay informed and stay diversified. Now I won't hear from you. Which of these stock are you adding to your watch list, or maybe you have got another hot pick for 2025? Drop in the comment below and let's get the conversation going. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Want more investing tips? Check out our playlist link below for deep dive market trend and strategies.